Money is everywhere. We need it, we earn it, and we spend it. And it's still awkward to talk about, and it shouldn't be. Learning how to manage your finances is an essential part of growing up. Fortunately, creators on YouTube are sharing their financial wisdom with the world for free. Here are 5 creators who can help you better manage your money. The Budgetista. Tiffany is a financial advisor, and she talks about budgeting and making plans for financial freedom. She'll give you practical steps to help you make your money work for you. Her free resources are perfect to help you figure out how to save, invest, and spend your money. Whiteboard Finance. Marco shares videos on personal finance, the stock market, and making big purchases. And he also talks a lot about entrepreneurship. And he teaches beginners the basics of investing. Tom Blake. Tom Blake is a 23-year-old YouTuber that makes videos about money, income, savings, and investments. He shares his experience and practical advice about making money, side hustles, and more. Budget Girl. Budget Girl talks about, well, budgets of course, and how to invest your money wisely. She'll tell you financial mistakes to avoid and help you be smarter about debt. Frugal Chic Life. Nicole is a financial YouTuber who shares videos about simple budgeting. She'll also talk to you about good money habits and building wealth. Need a little help managing your credit cards? Well, she'll tell you the best way to use those credit cards and how to build your credit. Are there other personal finance YouTubers that you like that didn't make this list? Leave their pages in the comments below. For more personal finance tips that can help you better manage your money, make sure you head to getschooled.com. If you feel like you get good advice from any of these YouTubers, also let us know in the comments. We want to see you making strides for better saving, spending, and investing. Take care.